Hey guys, for our first walk around of 2018, we really wanted to bring you something special. This is a custom 18-foot T6 tilt that's absolutely loaded with options. This configuration is perfect for the user who needs a mid-sized tilt with specialty options to really help enhance their day-to-day usage. Let's take a closer look at it. Starting up front, we have an HD 2 5/16 coupler and a 3-position adjustable channel mount. We've got a 7-way cold weather wiring harness. We've got a full-size divided toolbox, and on top there's a solar charger to keep the deep cycle battery topped off and ready to work. The 16-foot power up and power down tilting deck features a Blackwood Classic floor, as well as a front-mounted roller for your winch cable. Underneath we have two 7K Dexter electric over hydraulic disc brakes with a torsion suspension. And these brakes are controlled by a front-mounted Hydrostar brake actuator for the ultimate stopping power. For more information on this trailer and these options, check out the links in the description, as well as go to pjtrailers.com where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks guys.